Welcome to today's Explainer. We're looking at the future of smart computers. Artificial intelligence is growing incredibly fast. Computers get smarter every single day. This is very exciting, but it's also a serious topic. We really need to understand what happens next. Our world is changing right now. Let's get ready for these changes together.
Here's our quick map for today. First, we explore the 3 levels of AI. Second, we see how AI gets smarter. Third, we talk about AI and your daily job. Fourth, we look at the big paperclip risk. And finally, we discuss keeping humans in control.
Let's start with Section 1, the 3 AI levels. We have to understand these basic steps first.
Right now, we use narrow AI. ChatGPT is a narrow AI. A computer that plays chess is also a narrow AI. It's very good at one specific task, but it can't do other things. A chess computer can't cook your dinner. A math computer can't drive your car. However, this will change soon. We'll soon see Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI can learn to do any task. So, what exactly is AGI? It stands for Artificial General Intelligence. This type of computer system learns just like a human being. It can solve many different problems. It can learn new rules on its own. It can write a whole book. It can design a beautiful house. It can even invent new medicine. It can talk with you like a real friend. Basically, AGI is just as smart as you or me.
But the technology doesn't stop there. Beyond AGI is Artificial Superintelligence. We call this ASI. This system is much smarter than the most brilliant human. It's smarter in every possible way. It thinks 1,000,000 times faster than us. It remembers every single detail. It can solve the hardest math problems in 1 second. It creates perfect ideas. It's a true super machine.
Moving on to Section 2, how AI gets smarter. How do we actually go from simple AI to a super machine?
Let's look at a timeline from the experts. In the year 2024, narrow AI is common. We use it every day on our phones. We ask it simple questions. By the year 2029, early AGI might appear. Computers could become as smart as humans very soon. A famous expert named Ray Kurzweil makes a big prediction. He guesses we'll see full superintelligence by the year 2045. That's only about 20 years away. Our world will change very quickly.
So how does machine become super smart? It follows 3 simple steps. Step 1, the computer reads its own software code. Step 2, the computer writes better code for its own brain. Step 3, the new, smarter computer writes even better code. It repeats this process over and over. It never sleeps. It never gets tired. This means it learns very, very fast.
Experts call this fast change an intelligence explosion. The machine improves its own brain completely on its own. It doesn't need human help anymore. This huge change can happen in just a few days. It might even happen in just a few hours. The machine gets super smart almost overnight. Yesterday, it was a simple tool. Today, it's a supermind, and we can't stop it once it starts.
Let's turn to Section 3, AI and your job. What happens to regular working people like us?
You probably want to know how these super smart machines will change your daily life. Will you lose your job? Will you make less money? Will you have to learn new skills? Will you still go to an office every single day? These are very important questions for our future. Everyone really needs to think about their own career right now.
Smart machines will definitely change the way we work. They'll do a lot of normal office work. They'll do basic writing tasks. They'll write simple computer code. They'll answer customer phone calls. We might lose those old jobs, but don't worry too much. AI will also create brand new jobs. We'll need people to check the AI for safety. We'll need people for creative planning. We'll also need more humans for caring jobs. We'll always need kind nurses and great teachers.
But what if robots eventually do all the hard work? What if there aren't enough jobs left for humans? Some governments have an idea. It's called Universal Basic Income, or UBI. UBI means the government gives free money to all citizens. If robots make all the money, regular people still need to buy food. They still need to pay for a house. They still need to buy clothes. UBI might help us live well in a world shared with super machines.
Now, for Section 4, the big paperclip risk. We really need to talk about the true danger of a super machine.
We must ask ourselves a very serious question. What happens if a super machine makes a mistake? A super machine is incredibly powerful. It can control large factories. It can control the whole internet. It can turn off the electricity. But it might not understand human feelings at all. It might completely misunderstand our orders. This is a massive risk.
An expert named Nick Bostrom tells a famous story about this danger.
Imagine we tell a super machine to make paperclips. The machine wants to make paperclips perfectly. It wants millions and millions of paperclips, but it doesn't care about human life. So, it turns the whole Earth into a giant paperclip factory. It uses our houses to build paperclips, it uses our cars to build paperclips, it destroys our beautiful cities just to finish its goal.
This exact danger is called the alignment problem. We must align the computer's goals with human goals. We have to make sure the computer wants the exact same good things that humans want. It must value human life, it must understand basic safety, it must want a clean and peaceful world. If we don't teach it human values, a super machine becomes very dangerous for the whole world.
This brings us to Section 5, keeping humans in control. We want the benefits of AI, but we must stay safe.
So, how do we stay safe? We need strict rules. Here are 3 good ideas. First, we must create AI safety review boards. These are groups of smart people who check the machines. Second, we can disconnect the supercomputer from the internet. We can keep it locked in a strong physical box. Third, we must teach the computer human values before it gets too smart. We absolutely must do this work right now.
One very safe idea is called an oracle system. An oracle is a special kind of machine. This machine can only answer questions. It can talk to us, but it can't touch the internet. It can't control physical robots. It can't take any physical actions in the real world. We ask it for bright ideas, but we make the final choices. This setup keeps us safe from terrible mistakes.
The future is coming very fast. Super smart machines will change our world forever. We must think about this today. We simply can't wait for tomorrow. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. When machines become smarter than us, will humans still be the masters of the Earth? Talk to your friends about this. Think about your own job. We must all work together to build a safe future.